One of the first tasks in the script involves generating an array using the insert into array function. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now using shift registers. So let's go ahead and delete the things that we've added in before. And you can use Control B to clean up the wires to do that now. Now, we want to start from an empty array because what we're going to be doing is every iteration we're going to add one new element to this array. So go ahead, right click on an array, go and create a constant, and we need to start with an empty array, as I say. So right click it, go to data operations and empty array. So now that we've started with an empty array, we can do something with it. So let's now plug this into the shift registers and let's start it. So place your insert into array function. So just place that into the for loop. Now simply plug in the inputs and outputs to the shift registers. And what we're going to be doing now is add every loop we're going to be adding an element. And for instance, we could add we can just store the number of I. So we simply click wire it to the new element subarray. If you're unsure of how to work with an insert into an array function, just right click and go to the help menu, and you will have a very detailed explanation of how to wire in the different inputs. You can always find examples and so on online as well if you need to. So let's go back to the program. So now we can now generate let's generate an indicator here at the edge so we can see the result of our function. So let's again run that, and you'll see that each loop we're gonna be inserting I as a new element into the array. See, now the element that has one element now has two elements. It'll have three elements now, etc. So, and it always takes the value for I and it puts it into the array. And that's it. So now when this finishes, I will show you the result in the front diagram. So let's go to the front panel, and you can double click to find it directly. So if you double click that, it'll take you directly to the front panel. So you can now see here the element that we've just generated. So, and as expected, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we've run it 6 times and we've taken the value of I. And this concludes the tutorial.